Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class, grade 2. In English class, we are going to discuss Unit 1 poem, First Day at School. The poem name is First Day at School. Before we start this poem, let me see about poem's definition. What is meant by poem? Poem is a piece of writing arranged in short lines. Poems try to express thoughts and feelings with the help of sound and rhythm. Then next, we are going to learn about the poem lines. Shall we read this? I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they will like me or just full of stays. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. This poem was written by Eileen Fisher. Do you want to see her? She only wrote this poem. Let me see about her. Eileen Fisher, her full name is Eileen Lucia Fisher. She is an American writer. She was born on September 9, 1906 and died on November 2, 2002, while she died at the age of 96. So, this is about her information. Then next, her works. She wrote more than 100 books for children, including poetry and picture books. Then next we go for explanation of the poem. We will see first 3 lines. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. Again I will read. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. In these lines, the boy is imagining about his first day at school. He thinks that his drawing will be as good as other classmates. And then next 3 lines. I wonder if they will like me or just full of stays. Again I will read. I wonder if they will like me or just full of strays. In these lines, the boy imagining that his new classmates will make him their friends very easily or they stare at him. And then next 3 lines. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. In these lines, the boy imagines that his new teacher will look like his mother or grandmother and she will treat him as her own son. And next, I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. In these lines, the boy imagines that if his puppy will come with him at school, he will be very happy. Okay, students, I hope you listen this explanation of this poem.
I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they'll like me or just be full of stares. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Let's know the summary of this poem. In this poem, the child is going to school and he is thinking about many things. He thinks about his classmates, teachers, and also about his puppy.
Okay, students, next we want to see basic words and example sentences. The first one, wonder. The first one, wonder. Meaning is to have a wish to know something. Again, I will read to have a wish to know something. The sentence for wonder. I wonder how would my result be? I wonder how would my result be? And then next word, drawing. Drawing. making a picture with a pencil or a pen. Example sentence for drawing. I made a very colorful drawing. And then next, her drawing was very beautiful. Her drawing was very beautiful. And then next one. Stays. Meaning is to look at someone for a long time. To look at someone for a long time. Example sentence for that. My father stares at me when I do not complete my homework. And then next, she gave me a cold stare. And then next sentence for example, gran. Gran means grandmother. So example sentence, my gran makes delicious food. Gran always loves her grandchildren. And then next word, puppy. Puppy means a young dog. Sentence for puppy. My puppy's name is Muffy. Robinson was a very cheerful puppy. And then next we are going to what we learned today. Shall we see what we learned today? We learned definition of poem and how to read the poem. Next, about Elian Fisher. We know about Elian Fisher. Then next we saw explanation of the poem. And then finally we see new words and sentences. So today we learn these 5 things. Okay students, you all are taken English practice book. You should take this English practice book. Take page number 7. It has exercise, in this worksheet 1, exercise A, you should finish. So this is must. You should finish exercise A and send a photocopy to WhatsApp my number. Okay. Okay. We will see today what homework. Today what homework? Read the poem 3 times and write the poem 1 to 6 line 2 times. Again I will repeat. Read the poem 3 times and write the poem 1 to 6 lines 2 times. And then next, write the new words of the poem 5 times. Write the new words of the poem 5 times. You should write these and all. And then next, already I said, do the worksheet 1, exercise A in your English practice book, page number 7. Okay. And then I hope you all are listen this class very interestingly. We will see in our next class. Okay students. Thank you.